This starts that.
Yeah, question number 3 onwards. All right.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3, any doubt?
Direct substitution.
No, question number direct thing.
Oh, no.
The 3 is not direct, sir. 3 is not
Yeah,
direct.
because when you substitute, it becomes 0 by 0.
Yes, 0 by 0.
It becomes 0 by 0. Therefore, numerator and denominator has a common factor. And the common factor will be
X minus
2
X minus
because x is tending to 2 means x minus 2 will be the common factor. Is this clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, other factors in quadratic you can directly derive. What should I multiply with this so that I get x square? It is nothing but x squared divided by x. So here it will become x. What should I multiply? What should I multiply minus 2 with so that it end up in minus 4? So
Plus
minus
2.
4 divided by minus 2. That is plus 2. So plus 2. Is this part clear to everybody? Anybody
Yes,
in the
sir.
class not understood this?
So I get little stuck here sometimes. So either thoda sa I get.
Very
Yes, sir. Yes,
very
sir. It
easy, Reni.
happens.
Reni, look at this. X square, na? X square, the first term, divided by x. So x square divided by x will give you the first term.
Okay.
And 4 divided by second number means second divided by second, first divided by first. That's it.
Okay.
So
Sir.
now tell me, x square divided by x, what will give you?
X.
X.
Then minus 2 divided by minus 2, what will give you?
1 minus 1.
Plus 1.
1.
Sorry, plus 1, yeah.
Yeah. Now cancel the common factor and replace the limit here. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, variable. You have to divide variable with variable and number with number. Okay.
Yeah.
I got confused with that also here.
Yeah, variable with variable and number with number. That's right. Okay.
And one more question, sir. This might sound silly. The x minus 2 from where?
Whenever x is tending to a,
Huh.
x minus a will be the factor.
Okay.
Whatever this limit, their difference is the factor.
Okay.
Is that clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Reni, you are just going to help me out in this.
Okay, no problem.
Provided this factor will happen only if it is 0 by 0.
0 by 0. Huh.
Otherwise, it
That
will not
I
be.
understood.
For previous problem, it would not happen that way.
Yeah.
Here x is tending to 1.
Yes.
We are getting 0 by 0 also here.
Yes, 0 by 0.
So what will be the factors?
X minus 1.
Yeah, x minus 1. So first write off that factors.
Yeah, x minus 1.
Now tell me what will be the second term?
X square divided by x. So
Yeah.
x.
X. And 7 divided by
1.
minus 1.
Minus 1.
So 7 divided by minus 1 will be?
Minus 7.
Minus 7. Both S are there in the class? Both S are there in the class? Okay. Now tell me 7x squared divided by x. How much it become?
7x.
7x.
Sir, 1 also Yash is not there in the class.
Okay. Minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1.
Plus 1.
Understood the method?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I have to make a one student enter. So x minus 1 get cancelled. So 1 minus 7 upon 7 plus 1. So minus 6 by 8. Minus 3 by 4. I hope it is fine.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
in the class not understood this technique? This is a continuation of 12th. This chapter is continues in the 12th, continued in 12th. 6 marks topics. Twessa, what is Twessa, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, entered the class. She's in the class.
No, sir, she's not.
Just somebody SMS her to log in.
Sir, she is unable to log in.
Ask her to sign in with her email ID which is given to me.
It is showing that the device is not paired, something like that. She has sent me the screenshot.
Device is
Device is not letting her sign. I'll read.
Plus 2.
x. Which one? This one.
Yes, sir.
X square minus 4 का factor क्या होता है? A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B.
हाँ.
This is one method. नहीं तो आपको already मालूम है 0 है तो x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor. तो दूसरा बताओ क्या होना चाहिए?
X plus
के साथ x आना चाहिए तो ही x square आएगा. -2 plus 2 के साथ multiply करेगा तो ही -4 आएगा. और old method, division method.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir,
क्या बोलो?
sir, can you explain me from that synthetic division one?
Okay, okay. Who is that?
yes, sir.
Sir, Austin.
Austin. Austin, we will do one synthetic. This is everybody followed. Now we'll do this synthetic division. Okay, I'll do once more. No problem.
No, that
I'll do once
second
more.
one, sir. How
No,
you
both will
got
do.
X square minus 4?
Okay. So first thing that you have to write is the coefficients in order. What are the coefficient of x cube? 1.
1
Coefficient of x square?
minus 3.
-3. After x square, next is x. But x
Yes,
is not there here. That means its coefficient is 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then constant. So if one of the x power is missing, उसका मतलब है उसका coefficient 0 है. Then divide by 2. You understood how this 2 came? What was the limit?
Yes, sir.
Then what should I do here?
Plus 0.
0. Between these two, what is the operation? Addition. So you get 1 here. Then this you multiply with this and write it over here. 2 into 1 is 2. Then add. Repeat the procedure. Multiply 2 with -1. Add. Multiply 2 with -2. And हमेशा last 0 होना चाहिए. Then this is the coefficient of x square. This is the coefficient of x. And this is the constant. Understood? That's how x square minus x minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's try once more this one. X cube का coefficient 1.
1.
X square minus 2. X minus 4. फिर 8. We have to divide with which number?
2.
With the limit. Limit is 2. Limit is not 3. Limit is 2.
Yes, sir.
Limit is 2. So 0. Add 1. फिर क्या आएगा?
2.
2. When you add, what will happen?
0.
0. When you
0.
0 here.
Minus 4. Minus 8. 0.
This is the coefficient of x square. This is the coefficient of x. 0 into x is 0 and then constant. So x square minus 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having difficulty, please ask. Okay, can we move to 9th question?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Aryan. Aryan तो क्लास में है क्या नहीं? Yash, one Yash is there in the class. Yash, speak out, Yash. क्या हो गया तुम लोग? Till Teresa could not enter.
No, sir. Even I sent her
No,
the
sir.
recording how to sign in, but she's unable to do that.
Then what to do? Because now I cannot change the in between. I cannot change.
Use the recording.
Yeah, recording I'm sending. Okay, coefficient of x cube 1. Coefficient of x square 6. Actually, here now you should take x common. Take x common. X square plus 6x plus 9. and only you need to do for the denominator. Okay. Denominator is 1, 5, 3, minus 9. So you have to divide by minus 3 this time. So this became x plus 3 into x square plus 2x minus 3. Is it okay? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now x into x plus 3. X into x plus 3. X plus 3 the whole square आएगा इधर. X plus 3 इसमें 3 डालेगा तो क्या मिलेगा? ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया. That became limit extending to minus 3. X into x plus 3. अभी minus 3 डालेगा तो 9. ये भी 0 होगा. X plus 3 भी cancel. Is it fine? Tell me which step you have not understood. Anybody not understood any step?
Understood.
Understood, sir.
Yeah.
Understood, sir.
10th you did?
Yes.
No, sir. 10th I had doubt.
और synthetic division से ये भी कर सकते हैं. Can I remove this synthetic division?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm doing 10th one. X raised to 4. One method is like this. X square minus 2 into x square plus 2. Then x square minus 2 is x minus root 2 into x plus root 2. ऐसा भी कर सकता है without synthetic division. इसको x square x raised to 4 को ऐसा लिख सकता है. डिनोमिनेटर को आपको x minus root 2 into x plus 4 root 8 upon root 2. That is 8 into root 2 upon 2. That is 4 root 2. So denominator became x plus 4 root 2. Yes, somebody give chat. Ash is in waiting room. Oh. I don't see anybody in waiting room. Nobody is in waiting room.
Sir, he was chatting in the group, that's why.
Yeah.
He was telling, let me in, sir.
Yeah, but it's not there in the waiting room.
That was the old message.
See, you people only made this so complicated. And okay, done. Can we start teaching in today's new section? I hope all of you understood this. Again, I'm giving you today one more assignment on the same thing, but I'm adding some more today. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Today I'm going to do with functions with a square root. And of course, direct substitution will give me 0 by 0. Those type of problem. One more type of problem is left. Wait 1 minute. Sorry. You have a function like this. Yeah. First and foremost thing, when I directly substitute, this will become 3 by 0 and minus 3 by 0. This is infinity. This is minus infinity. You know that infinity minus infinity is indeterminate. I gave you in the yesterday's notes what are the indeterminate type. So we cannot calculate the limit of such a by direct substitution. So what we say? Which part became 0? Tell me which part became 0? Numerator or denominator?
Denominator.
That means complete the sentence. That means when I put x as 1, I got 0. That means x minus 1 is a factor. Again, I got here denominator 0.
X minus 1.
Again, x minus 1 is a factor. Now tell me the other factor. X square divided by x.
X minus 4.
X minus
4 divided by minus 1.
It will be minus 4.
Again, x square divided by x
X minus 2, sir.
divided by minus 1. Is this part clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now you need to take LCM. So first part is to factorize. The term which became 0, those has got x minus 1 as a factor. उसके बाद क्या करना चाहिए? LCM लेना है. LCM का मतलब है दोनों को डिनोमिनेटर को एक ही करना. So x minus 1 दोनों में है. x minus 4 भी है. 3 भी है. और x minus 2. These are the LCM. जो दो बार है एक ही बार लिखने का है, दो बार नहीं लिखना है. Now you tell me, to make this denominator same as this, I need to multiply numerator and denominator by which are terms? Which are the terms?
3 and x minus
3 should be there.
3 and x minus 2.
X minus 2. To make this denominator same as this, I should multiply with
X minus 4.
minus.
Already एक x minus 4 था, फिर एक और x minus 4 बना दिया. Now what you do? Now expand this. 3 into x square minus 4 plus a minus b into x square minus 8x plus 16. Any doubt, please ask. If you are feeling difficulty, you should tell, sir, I have not followed. You don't have to think twice. I am here to help you. So much is clear with everybody.
So the second step
So
can
can you just
explain.
repeat that LCM part again?
LCM
third
means
step.
LCM means making the denominator same. Is that okay?
Understood.
Both have two different denominator. We have to make both the denominator same.
Same.
So to make the both the denominator same, what and all factors are there, all should be present in the denominator.
Hmm.
Now, what is not present here should be multiplied with the numerator. So out of this 4 terms, which is not present here, 3 is not present. X minus 2 is not present.
Not
So
present.
you will multiply this with non-present terms. Chalega?
Okay, sir.
Same way, this will be multiplied with the term which is not present in the denominator. Which term is not present in the denominator comparing to with this
X
denominator?
minus 4.
So you will multiply numerator with x minus 4. Is that okay?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Actually, now look at this. 5 by 8 plus 4 by 10. What are we doing is, this 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 4, 10 is 5 into 2.
5 into 2.
What will be the LCM? 2 एक बार आएगा. बाकी 2 2 है वो भी आएगा. Plus a 5 भी आएगा. LCM will be this. Okay. Now, in this 5 is not there. So you are multiplying numerator and denominator by 5. So इसलिए 5 into 5, 25 आएगा इधर. What is not there? 5 into 2 is there. This is not there. So again, you will multiply with 2 into 2. ऐसे 16 आएगा. This is how you take the LCM. बराबर है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So whichever term is not present in the denominator, those terms you have to multiply the numerator and then add. Anybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah. Now we will calculate it. So tell me, what is the numerator now if you expand it? Limit extending to 1. A 3x square plus x square 4x square हो गया. This minus 8x. They become minus 12 plus 16. That became plus 4. Everybody agree with what I wrote?
Sir, can you explain?
1 minute. Yes. How many x square are there? See, we won't write all the steps. Because I'm not writing all the steps, don't get worried. We have to learn how to do without writing too many steps. A कितना हो गया?
3x square.
A कितना हो गया?
1x.
ये दोनों ऐड किया तो कितना हो गया?
4x square.
4x square. अभी x का टर्म एक ही जगह पे. This is only x term. So minus 8x. What are the constant? ये दोनों multiply करेगा तो ये constant मिलेगा minus 12 and 16. So plus 4.
Plus 4. Okay.
I could have expanded and showed you. I would not lose any time. But I want you to learn like that. That's why I'm not writing it. Purposely, I'm not writing. Now take your 4 common. Everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
Can anybody tell me what is this?
It is x minus 1.
X minus
X minus 1.
X minus 1 the whole
When I
square.
put x as 1, I get 0 here. So x minus 1 is a factor. Other factor is also x minus 1.
Minus 1.
Everybody agree with every step? Any
Yes, sir.
difficulty, any problem, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now when I put x as 1, only numerator becomes 0. But denominator don't become 0. 3 into minus 3 into, I don't have space to write, so I'll write it over here with another color. I'm writing the remaining answer over here. Continuation of this. 4 into 1 minus 1 divided by 3 into 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 2. Only numerator becomes 0. Denominator don't become 0. Hence answer is 0. So limit of this function is 0. I think I need to teach you few more sums on this because you have little difficulty in taking this LCM. And these are all necessary for the questions to be done. Whether you study this problem or not, taking LCM of a function is very important.
Sir,
Yes, any doubts?
sir, after that multiplication part now, that next step I didn't understand.
This one?
There. Yes, sir.
This you understood?
No, sir, that I didn't understand. Which you tick mark
If
now.
you open the bracket, just open the bracket, what all terms will be there? 3x square will be there, 12 will be there, x square will be there, minus 8x plus 16. Barabar hai ki nahi? Numerator.
Yes, sir.
So 3x square and x square together became 4x square.
4x square. No?
Minus 8x. Minus 12 and 16 got added and became 4.
4. No. Acha, this is okay. Adding the like terms. Okay.
Yeah, adding the like term. Anybody else having problem in this topic? This type of question? Can I give you a new problem?
Yes, sir.
Sir, writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, writing.
Sir, writing.
Okay. Now, if you take the denominator and replace x by a here, a square minus 3a square plus 2a square. Do you see they become 0?
Yes.
Even replace x by a here, that also becomes 0. So they became indeterminate form. You agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Now, because they are indeterminate, what can you say? You can write with me. All of you have written the question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, one of you tell me what should I write the denominator?
X minus A.
X minus A.
X minus A.
So X,
And what will be the other factor? X squared divided by X.
X.
X. 2A squared divided by minus A.
It will be
Minus 2A.
Minus 2A. Anybody having difficulty there?
Sir, I got
No,
disconnected.
sir.
What did
No
you?
problem. Same. Continue with this problem. Same type problem.
Yes, yes.
Pooja, any doubt?
Yes, sir. Same. I didn't understand.
See, when you put X as A, you agree that this became 0.
Yes, sir.
So X minus A is a factor.
हाँ.
दूसरा फैक्टर कैसे मिलेगा? X स्क्वायर को X से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, 2A स्क्वायर को A से माइनस A से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, ओके ओके. अच्छा, ओके.
हाँ, अभी ये इसको बता दो तुम. पूजा, टेल मी. 2x स्क्वायर को किससे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा?
X.
तो कितना मिलेगा?
2x.
2x. अभी A स्क्वायर को माइनस A से डिवाइड करना है. डोंट डिवाइड बाय ओनली A. ये साइन भी साथ लेना पड़ेगा. A स्क्वायर माइनस A से, तो एक A निकल जाता है, लेकिन माइनस A.
Okay.
Everybody understood the step what I have written on the board? Anybody having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. After that, what is next step? Tell me.
No, sir.
LCM. LCM means making all denominators same. X minus A, X minus 2A, or 2X minus A. इसमें कौन सा टर्म नहीं है? If you compare this with this, कौन सा टर्म नहीं है? 2x minus A. So 2x minus A आ गया. फिर प्लस साइन. इसमें कौन सा टर्म नहीं है?
X minus 2A.
हाँ, x minus 2. Write it. Now numerator like terms must be added. Limit extending to A. 2x plus x will become 3x minus 3A. One question to you, which term should get cancelled?
X minus A, sir.
X minus A. We have x minus A here, but we can't see x minus A over here.
So we take 3 common.
Yeah, take 3 common. So x minus A got cancelled. Now replace x by A. Johar is there in the class. Johar.
Oh, sir.
No. Functions with the square. Atharva. Functions with the square root.
Yes, sir.
I think if your sound is there at home, then make it unmuted. Okay.
No, sir, nothing here.
Yeah, no, it's okay now. Write down. The question is like this. Limit extending to 3. Square root of 2x plus 3 minus square root of 4x minus 3 divided by x square minus 9. Now, if you directly substitute, this is also 0 by 0. Therefore, you cannot directly substitute. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So the method, now listen, don't write. Whenever we have a square root, our aim is to get a common factor. What is a common factor here? What is
X
the
minus
common
3.
X minus 3. So X minus 3 you can get from denominator by using a square minus b square formula.
Yeah. 3.
But we cannot get X minus 3 common factor with the root. So we need to remove the root. To remove the root, we rationalize. You will multiply by the conjugate. So you'll get x square minus 9 into root of 2x plus 3. Can you write down now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write it down. What is a minus b into a plus b? A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So square of this minus square of this. So square root निकल जाएगा. Now square root and square goes away. A 2x plus 3 minus 4x minus 3. X square minus 9 into root of 2x plus 3 plus root of 4x minus 3. Now what you can write numerator as?
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x and plus 6. So 6 minus 2 or minus 2x plus 6.
Yes, sir. Minus 2x.
So we removed off the square root from the numerator. Tell me once again, what is your aim? What is the aim? What should I get? What is ultimately my aim is to get the
Common factor.
And what is the common factor?
X minus 3.
X minus 3. Now get it. If you take a minus 2 common, you will get x minus 3. If you factorize this, you will get x minus 3.
Yeah.
Now x minus 3 common factor cancel. Once you cancel, now don't write limit. Just directly substitute. When you replace x by 3, directly substitute.
Khushi, I guess your mic is disturbing.
Sorry.
Yeah. Six root 9 plus root 9. So that became minus 1 by 18. There is almost one full exercise on this in your textbook, only on this square root problem. Here, common factor should be x because x minus 0 is nothing but x only. Already x is present here. Now rationalize this, you will get x for that. Come and start with me. Multiply by the conjugate. Whatever you multiply in numerator, you should also multiply in the denominator. Because you are multiplying numerator and denominator by the same quantity. A minus b into a plus b. Six plus x square minus 6. Remember, my common factor should be x. So I'm taking x common. So 1 plus x. Don't copy from the board. You must work it out yourself. And then check with the board. If you're copying from the board means you're too big. So we got the common factor. Cancel it. So when you replace x by 0, 1 plus 0.
One by 2 root 6.
Correct. Now in this problem, root is there in both the place. And what is a common factor?
X minus 2.
X minus 2. So x minus 2 is not present anywhere, but both the place there is a square root. So you can rationalize both of them. Multiply by the conjugate of this. Here also multiply by the conjugate. And now compensate. What you multiplied here, multiply it over here. What you multiplied here, multiply it over here. Did you notice that I wrote the conjugate next to each other? And the compensation, I did it in the after that. Tell me what this became. A minus b into a plus b.
A square minus b square.
Can I write 2 plus x
Yes, sir.
Yes.
minus 6 minus x directly?
Yes,
One
sir.
step I cut down in this time. and this term root x plus root 2 here. Same way here, root x minus root 2 into root x plus root 2 became x minus 2. I got the common factor. I hope you are following.
Yes, sir.
Now I have to get x minus 2 in the numerator. This became plus 2x minus 4. Take a 2 common, x minus 2 will come here. And we are very happy now because we got both the numerator and denominator common factor. This was our aim. From beginning itself, our aim is only one thing, get an x minus 2 as a common factor. Now, once you get that, our job is done. 2 into root 2 plus root 2 divided by root of 4 and root of 4. This became 2, this became 2. 2 into 2 root 2 divided by 2 plus 2, 4. So answer is simple. So limit of this function is square root of 2. So if root is there, both the place, you have to rationalize both.